Good morning, students. In this video, we will learn degrees of comparison. Okay. Already I taught this topic in grade 5, right? So I hope you know this topic. Once again, I will teach you. Okay. Degrees of comparison means nothing but the process of comparing. Okay. First, let you know the definition of adjectives. Degrees of comparison. Adjectives change in form when they show comparison. Look at the example. See the picture. Raju, Aman, Rahul. Raju is tall. Raju is tall. In this example, there is no comparison. Okay. Second, Aman is taller than Raju. Aman is taller than Raju. Here, comparison between the two boys. Okay. Next, Rahul is the tallest of the three. Here, Rahul is the tallest of the three. The comparison among them. Okay. Next, adjectives have 3 degrees of comparison. Adjectives have 3 degrees of comparison. What are they? Positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Positive degree means there is no comparison. In this degree, there is no comparison. Comparative degree, here compare two nouns or pronouns. Okay. In this degree, there is comparison between two nouns or pronouns. Next, superlative degree. In this degree, compare more than two nouns or pronoun. More than two nouns or pronoun. Next, look at the formation of comparative and superlative degree of adjectives. Okay. You must memorize the given rules for changing the degree. Okay. See the first rule, by addition of ER and EST to the positive degree. In positive, clever, rich, thick, young. In comparative, you have to add the letter ER at the end of the positive degree. Clever, cleverer, rich, richer, thick, thicker, young, younger. Next, in superlative, you have to add the letter EST at the end of the positive degree. Cleverest, richest, thickest, youngest. Got it? Next rule, by addition of R and ST to the positive degree. If the positive degree ending in the letter E, you must add the letter R in comparative and ST in superlative. Okay. Brave, braver, bravest. Noble, nobler, noblest. Pale, paler, palest. Wise, wiser, wisest. Okay. Next. Take the next page. Third rule. Here, if the positive degree ends in the letter Y and has a consonant before. If the word positive degree ends with the letter Y before the consonant, you have to change the letter Y into I. Okay. You have to change the letter. Strike out the letter. Change the letter Y into I and then add ER with the letter I. Okay. Easy, easier. But in superlative, you have to add EST. Easiest, easy, easier, easiest. Happy, happier, happiest. Okay. Next, fourth rule. If the positive degree ends with the letter Y, you just add the letter ER in comparative and EST in superlative. Okay. Gay, gayer, gayest. Grey, grayer, greyest. Next, fifth rule. If the positive degree ends in a consonant with a vowel, here ends in a consonant, ends in Y and has a consonant before. You have to change the letter Y into I and add ER. Here vowel plus consonant. See, big B I G. Here I is the vowel letter, G is the consonant, right? So if the word ends with vowel plus consonant, you have to double the consonant. Okay, here G is the consonant, right? So you have to double the consonant. So in comparative, BIGG, and then add the letter ER with the positive degree, BIGGER, bigger. The same rule you have to follow in this superlative degree, but at the last you have to add the letter EST. Okay, big, bigger, biggest, hot, hotter, hottest, fat, fatter, fattest, thin, thinner, thinnest. And in sixth rule, if the positive degree is beautiful, you have to add more with the positive degree. Okay, in comparative you have to add more, in superlative you have to add most. And then next, you do not follow any of the rules. Okay, look at the example. In positive, far, but in comparative is totally different from the positive degree. Far, farther, further. In superlative, farthest, furthest. This farthest show distance, furthest to show position. Okay, next, good, better, best, bad, worse, worst, little, lesser, lesser, and here least, later, later or later, latest show time, last shows position. Okay, and then here many refers number, much refers quantity. Okay, indicates quantity. In comparative, more, in superlative, most. Here near, nearer, nearest, old, older, oldest, elder, eldest. Okay, here older or elder, and in superlative, oldest or eldest. Both are the right answer. See this information. You have to use elder and eldest only with the person, only with the human beings. Okay, not with the animals or things. But in older and oldest, you can be used both with persons and things. Okay, older, oldest, you can use both person and things. Here elder and eldest only with person but not with animals or things. Okay, I hope you understand this concept very well. You must remember these all rules for changing the form. Okay, thank you.